I welcome Pakistan's timely and constructive offer to host dialogue with the United States and Iran. I commend Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and the leaders of other friendly nations for stepping forward at a moment of acute regional danger following the earlier commendable efforts of the leadership of Oman and other friendly countries. Pakistan's relationship with the relevant parties and its standing as a credible voice in the Muslim world place it in a strong position to help create the conditions for meaningful negotiations. Malaysia supports this initiative and encourages, in particular, the United States and Iran to respond in the spirit in which it was offered. I note with cautious hope the signals, however incomplete, that suggest some space for diplomacy may still exist. That space should be treated with the seriousness it deserves. Any negotiation must proceed on the basis of genuine intent, a clear commitment to ending the conflict, not managing its tempo for tactical advantage. The international community has seen too many ceasefires that function as pauses rather than conclusions. The region deserves something more durable. Malaysia reaffirms Iran's right to defend its sovereignty as recognized under international law, particularly in the face of continued Israeli strikes in the country and in Lebanon. At the same time, we call on all parties to exercise maximum restraint and to ensure that civilian population and the infrastructure of neighboring states, namely the Gulf states, are not drawn further into a conflict they did not choose.